Hi guys, so late yesterday actually I got in an order from HSN. That's another set of Autoships that I guess there was a lot of Autoships coming out in the last couple days or so. So the last haul I did, I was surprised that there were Autoships in there. And then these, I didn't know what it was because I was like, well, I think I got everything in, and they were Autoships. So I'm going to open those up in just a second. If I have any links in the description box, there will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase any items through those links. Autoships normally wouldn't have links because a lot of times they don't offer them, right? That's the whole point. You sign up when they first showed the product, and then they come in as they come in every month or a couple months, depending on the program. This thing has gotten so messy. Oh my gosh. We're doing a lot of work, guys. One thing I did want to quickly say before I open up this box, I did this review tutorial yesterday for the APG die of the month, and I didn't really talk about the Spellbinders program or, club kits because I thought this was going to take me a while to do, so I didn't want to really talk about that, but a lot of people were asking if they can still get this. So yes, so I'll have the link in the description box. So with Spellbinders, throughout the whole month, whenever you sign up that month, you are going to get that item. So like right now they have this at the APG, and if you were to sign up for the works, whatever club kit is that you want, or this one individually, it will be this set that you'll get, and you'll see that there. So it's a little bit different than like Tonic, where they'll do the sneak peek and you're not going to get it till the next month. So when you sign up, you're not signing up for that same month. Like let's say I sign up this month, you're not going to get the box from this month. You're going to get next month's box first, okay? So with Spellbinders, it is what it is. And then you get 10% off their whole site automatically. So whatever price you see on their website already has your 10% discounted as long as you're a club member, okay? So sorry guys, I totally forgot. Actually, I went to edit. I realized, I'm like, oh, I didn't even mention anything about the club, but I do it pretty much in every video, but you guys can always check out, get more information from Spellbinders themselves, of course. So thank you guys for asking. Super cute. And then another guy had said that it would be cute to do the camera just to put it like on a scrapbook page, which would be very cute. Just do up the front, the camera front, put it on something, or a card even. Really cute. Lots of ideas. Okay, so let's see what this stuff is. This is from HSN. Okay, so I did sign up when I got the new Tri-Blend brush tips. I signed up for the Autoship. This is not inexpensive in the Autoship because I think this is 25 bucks. Let me see. For the 6 of them. Yeah, 6-piece classic, $24.95, and then $3.50 shipping. So this is almost 30 bucks. It's kind of high. I don't know if I'm gonna continue in the Autoship or just try to source these out later, but it's nice to just get them every few months and not worry about it, because a lot of times what happens is you have to go back and try and find them other places. So I was going to use this really quickly just so we can see them, what the colors are. So again, that first set had blends of color, and then they're gonna add in the different shades. So I remember thinking it was kind of odd that there wasn't really like a yellow or like a green. I don't know. It's just an odd set. So these are these guys, and these all look very light. But again, the deeper color, even though it looks light on the tip, is this color here. And we are getting vintage blue, antique pink, green gray, muted brown, dusty purple, and the yellow. I'm gonna try this one. Antique pink, and they aren't wrapped around, so that's nice because it kind of drives me nuts sometimes you have to take off all that wrapper. So that's the light color, and then the light color is AP1 to AP3 and then AP4. So that's the other thing, if this kind of coordinates with the other set because of the different color names. That's a nice blend. That one's very well done, I think. I mean, obviously I had to go back over it with the lighter and all that, but that's not bad. So let me show you again, just in case you're curious, because I know that's what happened last time, is that people were curious about the colors. So these are the Spectrum Noir colors. They're just set up in different arrays. So I'll leave that there for you guys to compare with your other Tri-Blends or other Spectrum Noirs, and then you'll have an idea. And this is the classic vintage set. Okay, and if they're still on Craft Stash, which is the best price that I've seen, I will have the link in the description box. I think they were like $60 some odd for the initial set. Okay, what is this? Oh, so I held on to that decoupage so long that I literally did the video, like last week, that the new one came out. And these would come out like every 2 months. So this is the hydrangea, which I was literally looking forward to. Hydrangeas are like my favorite flowers. I always say that, and then I think, well, I really like lilies or like calla lilies. I like roses. I like, there's a lot of flowers, but in particular roses, not just any old rose. All right, so this is the hydrangea set, but hydrangeas are so pretty. They just don't grow for me too well out here. I guess I need to find a better spot for them, but in Fresno, I always had them around my house. Hydrangeas and roses. So, really pretty. So I'll review that. Again, very simple to use. You just line up your dies on the pre-printed pages and get those going. And then, I think, this is a sub box. So what I'll do is I'll unbox it here, just because otherwise this video is going to be very short, and we don't like short videos, do we, on this channel? And then I'll do a video review of it. I'll probably go ahead and also have some pictures for you guys of each of the blends, so you can kind of see what that looks like at the end of the video here. Okay, so it's the Eclipse stamping. Over 250 elements, it says. Metal dies, card blanks, envelopes, clear acrylic stamps, colored card pack, printed papers, ribbons, self-adhesive gems. I have no idea. I haven't seen anything about this, so I have no idea what this... Sometimes Crafters Companion themselves will have like a preview, or they'll do their own show for it, or have it on their site or something, but I haven't seen it. Alright, there's the gems. Here's our ribbons. They're grosgrain. Oh, a whole alphabet! That's so cute. It's a cute little size. They're probably about 1 inch. And then we have the stamp set with all the like poppies and pretty stamps. And then the card blanks, envelopes, printed papers. We'll look at these real quick. So I feel like that's a few things, probably because it has a whole die set, but yeah. I don't know, it's not overwhelming. It's a little underwhelming, should I say. Really cute though. Very cute set. Beautiful papers. I love this kind of thing. So this is really, really pretty as far as the paper. So overall, in my first impression, I think it's a cute set. It's a nice set. I love these papers. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at the bees. Hope you can see that on that one. And then I'm assuming, oh look, that's so pretty. And then I'm assuming these other papers are coordinating. Really cute. I do like that. It just seems like, oh, there's very few items, you know, but again, they would probably consider this like a big deal. So there's that. All right, guys, so I will have a review of this one very soon. Again, they don't really give you much instruction, if any, but I can see now. That's interesting. So yeah, I'm sure they have videos. You have to go to, I think it's on here, crafterscompanionbox.com, and then you'll see whatever videos they might associate with this Eclipse set. But what I'm seeing is that you stamp it, you color it, and then you want to cut the letters out and pop them up. I don't know, can you see them? You can see the letters in there? Very interesting. All right, well, that's it for right now. Again, I'll try to tutorialize this maybe later today, if not tomorrow, because I have other kits and things I need to do before the end of the month. So I will get to that. Oh, and then keep an eye out for the Diamond Press tutorial reviews, because I'm sure, well, yeah, because Craft Day is, what, November 2nd? Yeah, I'm going to start doing those very soon here too. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you at the next one. Bye now.